Hey guys, and welcome back to another how-to video. It's how to install Photoshop. Now, a couple of you might wonder what I've been using to edit my thumbnails, and it's literally just Canva. You can search YouTube in here, it'll give you channel art or thumbnail designs, but that's another free way to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install Photoshop CS6. So if you go and click the link in the description, it'll bring you to this page, and then if you click download, it'll take you off to a couple of sites. But click download, and then it'll pop up like this. Wait for it a sec, and then if you click download, it'll pop up in a little icon like this. And what you want to do is you want to drag it to your desktop. Then if you right click and then extract files here, it should give you a folder with Photoshop on it. Go ahead and double click in that folder, and then you want to click setup. And then allow changes. Then English. Next. Accept the terms and conditions. And next. And then next. Then you want to create a desktop icon. Click next. And here's the bit. You've got a license key here. In the download, it'll give you a key. All you want to do is copy and paste this into the actual key on the setup, like so. Then click next and install. And this is basically fast and the easiest way to get Photoshop free. Want to click finish. And it'll give you a little icon here. Double click that, allow changes, and it should open up Adobe Photoshop. Okay guys, this is how you get Photoshop for free. Leave a like and subscribe for more awesome content.